Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to delete your Kik account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now let us get started. Now first of all, open Kik application. As you open your Kik application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on the home page, in the top right corner, you can see gear icon. Tap on it. So on the other page you have the profile information, so scroll down and right at the bottom tap on help and about us. On the other page you have more information about help and about us, so from here tap on help. So next you land inside help center. Now slightly scroll down and then tap on managing your account. So once you tap on managing your account, on the other page you have more information or detail. So once again scroll down right to the bottom. And right at the bottom you can see deactivate your account. So in case if you don't see this option, so you'll have to tap on see all 8 article. Now if you have it right over here, so then tap on deactivate your account. So as you tap on deactivate your account, on the other page you have more information, so scroll down. Now under it there are a lot of articles, so make sure to go through it. And on the second option there is permanent deactivation. Now before you tap on the link, make sure to go through the following article and then scroll down. And under it you can see there is an article such as permanently deactivation website, so you'll have to tap on it. So as soon as you tap on the link on the other page, you will land inside a different site. So as you can see there is a statement and under it there is a blue mark and it says here, so just tap on it. So before deleting your account you must provide your information, so then enter the email address and once you're done tap on go. So as you can see the deactivation email has been sent, so go back to your home screen and open up your email. So as you can see that I've received an email, so then make sure to go through it and right at the bottom you can see deactivate, so just tap on it. So on the other page you'll have to provide a reason for deleting or deactivating your account. So down there you have a list of options, so you can select any one of these following options. So once you're done, tap on go. Now as you can see that my account has been deactivated and all I have to do is wait patiently for them to delete my account. In case if you change your mind, so you can still log in within few days and after that your account will be deleted permanently. That is how you can delete your Kik account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.